Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and updates. Today, we are talking about a true icon in the SUV segment, the Renault Duster. Known for its reliability, rugged performance, and value-for-money appeal, the Duster is an all-time favorite among Indian buyers. Let's explore why the 2025 Renault Duster continues to dominate the hearts of SUV lovers. Body. Exterior design. The Renault Duster has retained its robust SUV DNA while incorporating modern design elements. The front features a bold chrome grille with Renault's signature logo, flanked by sharp projector headlamps and LED dials that enhance its aggressive look. Muscular body lines, chunky wheel arches, and 17-inch alloy wheels give the Duster a commanding road presence. Roof rails, silver skid plates, and side cladding add to its rugged appeal, making it ideal for both city drives and off-road adventures. The rear gets sleek C-shaped LED tail lamps, a sporty bumper, and a high-mounted stop lamp, completing its rugged yet stylish design. With its timeless design and modern updates, the Renault Duster remains a true SUV at heart. Safety and build quality. Safety is a top priority for the Renault Duster, offering advanced features to protect passengers. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, ESP, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims offer side airbags, hill descent control, and a reverse parking camera, adding extra layers of protection. The Duster's strong build quality and robust chassis ensure durability and crash safety, making it a reliable choice for families. With its comprehensive safety features, the Duster ensures peace of mind on every journey. Price and variants. The 2025 Renault Duster is available in multiple trims to cater to different budgets and needs. The base RXE variant starts at approximately 10.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offering essential features. The mid-range RXS variant, priced at around 12 Indian rupees lakh, adds more comfort and connectivity features. The RXZ Turbo variant, loaded with premium features and the turbocharged engine, is priced at approximately 14.5 Indian rupees lakh. The AWD variant, designed for off-road enthusiasts, is priced at 15.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. With its competitive pricing, the Renault Duster offers excellent value for money in the compact SUV segment. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Renault Duster? With its rugged design, versatile performance, spacious interiors, and advanced safety features, it's the perfect SUV for Indian roads. Whether you're exploring the city or heading off the beaten path, the Duster is built to handle it all. Let us know in the comments if the Renault Duster is your dream SUV. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.